In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sennheiser headphones to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use any Sennheiser headphone that you have on your iPhone. Now, keep in mind that the most convenient way to do this is going to be through a wireless connection with Bluetooth. However, there are Sennheiser headphone models that do not have Bluetooth. I'm still going to teach you how to use those in this video. But if your specific model features Bluetooth, then all that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, and after this is done, put the headset or the headphones into pairing mode. So usually this will be done by pressing and holding a specific button on the actual headphones. So this example here on the HD 450BT, you just press and hold this button and you should see some sort of LED indicator flash. Now that the headphones are in pairing mode, you will be able to find them under the list of available devices on your iPhone's screen. Just choose them from the list, they will pair up automatically, and now all of the audio coming through your iPhone will be output on the headphones instead. Now, besides Bluetooth, if you have a wired connection, then even though you can use the Sennheiser headphones, you will need to purchase some sort of adapter. So, most Sennheiser headphones will be connected to a 3.5mm jack. Assuming that your iPhone does not have the 3.5mm audio jack, you will have to purchase an adapter such as this one, Lightning to 3.5mm jack. Of course, this might differ depending on your specific model, so just purchase the corresponding adapter. If you have a Sennheiser headphone which is connected through USB, for example, you will need a Lightning to USB adapter instead, and so on. Just purchase the corresponding adapter, and once again, as soon as you connect it, it is going to be ready to be used. So you don't need to download any sort of application. As soon as you plug it in with the necessary adapter, you will be able to listen to everything being output on your iPhone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser headphones to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.